Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today I'm actually going to be testing out a hair tool that just came out. I'm going to be testing out this curling iron from T3 Micro. This is the T3 Curl ID. So this has like a very smart technology, and it kind of helps you determine what type of heat setting you need on your hair texture, your hair length, if you have color treated hair or not. So it's like really cool. You can kind of like personalize it and make it like your own profile. I also tried out the new straightener from T3 Micro. This is the Lucea ID. It has the same smart technology as the curling wand. So I'm very excited to try this one out because this one, I really liked it. It's pretty nice. If you guys want to check out the video of me testing this one out, go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. By the way, a lot of you guys were asking me on Instagram, which by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check out my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. But yeah, a lot of you guys were asking me on my Instagram what hair tool I used to get my hair super sleek in this picture. So for those wondering, I used this straightener and just this straightener to get my hair sleek, straight from curly hair, straight from my natural curls. So this retails for about $235, which is pretty expensive. So I am expecting a really nice hair tool. I'm expecting some really nice curls. These tools were actually sent to me, so thank you so much for sending me these tools. This video is not sponsored. So this isn't a 1-inch curling wand, it's a little bit bigger. So we are supposed to get bigger waves with this. So this is 1 inch, and then this is a little bit over an inch. So you are supposed to get bigger waves with this one. So I'm going to use a little bit of this Chi heat protectant. It actually smells super good, but I always like putting heat protectant on my hair before putting heat on my hair. It's very important that you protect your hair. Okay, so let's turn this on. So I'm going to click the power button. Okay, my hair texture I'm going to put all the way up because my hair is like pretty thick and curly. I am not going to put color treated hair, chemically treated or not chemically treated. I don't have chemically treated hair, so I'm going to take that off. So, and then you lock your heat ID profile. So double tap the power button. So I'm going to do that. There you go, and now it's warming up. So went up to the heat setting number 6. As you can see, there's only 6 lights turned on, so that is 370 degrees Fahrenheit. That's interesting. Ooh, this gets hot. Oh my god. And I'm going to kind of like slowly clamp it. Like this. And just leave it there for a couple of seconds. I'm gonna do about 10 seconds. Ooh, I see a lot of smoke. I'm getting a little bit scared. Okay, I'm gonna release the curl. Wow, okay. That's a beautiful curl. Wow. Yeah, it looks super shiny. It looks very nice and bouncy. And it really curled my hair like so quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna do this section now. I'm gonna grab the hair. I'm gonna curl away from my face. So as you clamp, you bring in the hair like this. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm gonna release the curl. Wow, look at that. Ooh, that curl's hot. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to start the timer right now, and I'm just going to keep curling my hair and talking to you guys. But wow, so far I'm getting some really nice curls, and they're like all the same size. They look the same, so it's going to look really nice at the end. I do feel like the heat setting that I have right now is perfect for me, so I'm not mad about the profile ID. That's like really cool. So I'm going to release the curl. Ooh. So I'm all done with this side. As you can see, I got some really nice bouncy curls. They look very healthy, very shiny. I really like how my hair turned out. So this side took me about 18 minutes to do. It did pull my hair a little bit more than like a regular curling wand, but I still really did like how my hair turned out. I'm gonna keep the timer on and I'm gonna do this side. So now I'm gonna curl again away from my face. It even gets a little bit tangled like in here. Like it pulls your hair a little bit. Like, can you see that? There's like hair stuck in there, so. I can feel the heat in my head, but I feel like I'm used to it. With all these hair tools that I test out, I'm like so used to that burn. I find that my hair gets stuck in here sometimes, so it kind of pulls my hair a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is some hair stuck in here in the clamp. I love the curls that I'm getting though. They're really nice. Okay, so it took me 40 minutes in total to do all my hair. As you guys can see, this side is super nice, bouncy. I just did this side, but this side is already starting to fall. The curls still look really nice. It's more like a wave, but yeah, it's definitely falling already. And it's only been about 20, maybe 30 minutes max. So yeah, these curls probably won't last you a very long time. I mean, they look nice, and I'm sure that if you do put like hairspray or something, they will last longer. But yeah, they are starting to fall, as you can see. I'm just gonna touch up some of these on this side so that everything can look nice. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like. I think it looks really nice. I think I got really nice curls, very bouncy, very shiny, very healthy looking. Some things that I don't really love about this hair tool is that I did feel like it pulled my hair a little bit more than a curling wand, especially like the clamp. The hair got stuck in there sometimes. It got stuck in here, like this part right here. I also feel like it's very pricey for a curling iron. I would totally pay the $235 for the straightener, but the curling iron I feel like should be maybe a little bit more affordable, because you can only get curls with this tool, and you can only get like one specific curl size too with this tool. And the curls that you're gonna get with this tool are like a little bit more loose. I feel like with the straightener you can get a sleek look and you can get curls. Like you can create curls with the 1-inch straightener, so that's nice, and those curls do last a very long time. I feel like $235 is up there. I mean, this is like really nice quality. It has like this smart technology with the profile ID, which is really nice. But wow, $235 just to get curls, like I think that's like very pricey. So yeah, that's my honest opinion. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna link down below this hair tool. I'm gonna link down below the video where I test out the Lucea ID straightener. If you guys want to check it out, totally recommend watching that video. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I'm uploading a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.